Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect ConvertKit to Google Sites. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, navigate to the Automate option, then click on Apps option. Scroll down and select Zapier. Next, click here, and then here again. Now click on the Add Step option. Search for Google in the search bar. You'll see several Google services. Select any that you prefer. For this example, I'm choosing Google Sheets. After that, return to the ConvertKit setup. Fill in the Trigger Event option. Sign into your ConvertKit account and enter your API key. To get the API key, go to your ConvertKit account. In the top right corner, click on Settings. Scroll down to Developers and copy the API key. Go back to Zapier and paste the API key. Click Continue. Now complete the Configure option, followed by the Test option. Next, switch to Google Sheets. Fill out the Action Event option. Sign in with your Google Sheets account. Complete the configuration and test steps. Finally, click Publish and you're done. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.